Good morning. Alexa, play my morning playlist.
I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow. Like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul. And getting harder. It was never under my control. You know.
As for getting ready, most of the time I don't wear makeup, I don't do my hair, and I wear what I wore to bed, but I put leggings on, so I normally go like this. But I thought for this video I would show you guys if I were to get ready, which sometimes I do, what I would do. Make this video somewhat exciting. I'm gonna watch Netflix while I do it.
I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile. Like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul. And getting harder.
As for the outfit, I normally stick with leggings, Vans, and a sweatshirt. Very simple and cozy, pretty much my pajamas, but like more presentable.
Some things change, are lost and found, or gone forever. But this is what you are to me. Like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul.
Oh no.